90% of us keep our money in the bank. We feel that it is safest there. But the reality is that the bank lends that money to someone else, and it earns a massive profit on it. Meaning your money works day and night for them, and it shows you a thumb, nothing, along with a little bit of interest. There is nothing wrong with keeping money in the bank. But if your entire earnings are lying there in savings, you are actually losing the real power of your money. Therefore, it is much better to invest your money in growing assets, which not only keeps it safe, but also increases it every day. In today's video, I am going to tell you about 10 assets which multiply your money over time and take you closer to financial freedom. And the best part is that you don't need to be a millionaire to build these. You just need a little understanding and the right start. So let's find out those 10 assets that can make your money much more valuable than just lying in the bank. Before starting this video, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This small support of yours gives us great motivation to create more high quality videos. So let's begin. First of all, let's understand what assets and liabilities actually are. To understand in simple language, an asset is something that puts money in your pocket or whose value keeps increasing over time. For example, a house given on rent or any such investment that gives you good returns. Opposite to this, a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket or puts a burden on your earnings, like an expensive car or expensive mobile phones. Rich people invest most of their income in assets, while most middle-class people spend money on liabilities. Number 1. Real estate. Friends, real estate is that method of investment which has been people's first choice for years. It is among those things that become more valuable every day with time. A plot that was available for 50,000 10 years ago, its value has increased to 50 lakhs today. There is limited land on our earth, but due to the increasing population, people need land to live where they can build their home or business, because of which the demand for land is skyrocketing every day. Suppose you bought a small flat and rented it out. Now you're receiving rent every month, and at the same time, the price of that property is also increasing every year. Meaning, on one hand you're getting fixed passive income, and on the other hand, the value of your asset is increasing, giving you double benefit. If you also want to build your wealth in a safe way, real estate can be the best option for you. Asset number 2. Skills. Friends, the most powerful asset you can have to earn money is your skills, meaning that talent which sets you apart from others and which can generate income in every situation. Suppose you know video editing, coding, or marketing. All these skills are a lifetime asset for you, because whether you are doing a job, freelancing, or running your own business, good skills always increase your income potential. Now, the biggest advantage of skills is that they never end, and no one can take them away from you. In today's time, learning new skills has become very easy because of online courses, YouTube, and the internet. You just have to work hard in the right direction and never stop learning. Remember, if you have skills, you have countless ways to earn money. And if you don't have skills, achieving financial growth becomes difficult. So start investing in yourself from today, because your skills are the asset that will keep giving you returns throughout your life. Asset number 3. Gold. Friends, gold is not just jewelry but a reliable investment passed down through generations. From our grandmothers to our mothers, everyone likes to keep it. The biggest specialty of gold is that it never completely loses its value. On the contrary, its price keeps increasing with time. Think about it. Around 15 years ago, 10 grams of gold was about 7,000 rupees, and today the same has exceeded 60,000. This means the gold kept in your cupboard is quietly increasing your wealth. Apart from this, gold can be easily converted into cash in any corner of the world. It is, in a way, your emergency fund that you can convert into money whenever you want. In today's time, apart from physical gold, you also get the option to invest in gold bonds and digital gold. This method is safer, and you don't have the tension of storage. And yes, gold is a strong weapon to fight inflation. When the prices of things rise, the rate of gold often rises too, which maintains your purchasing power. So friends, if you have seen gold only as a showpiece or jewelry until now, then make it a strong part of your investment list. Asset number 4. Stocks and shares. Friends, you must have often heard that money grows only where it is put to work wisely, and investing in the share market through stocks is the best way to do this. Stocks mean buying a small part of a company. When you buy shares, you become a small owner of that company. If the company performs well and earns more profit, the value of the stocks increases. This increases your money as well. Yes, it is true that fluctuations keep happening in the share market, but if you choose the right company and stay patient for a long time, then these same fluctuations gradually give you big returns. In today's age, investing in stocks is very easy. You can buy stocks directly from mobile apps or start with small amounts through SIPs and mutual funds. Remember, stocks are not a shortcut to getting rich quickly. They are an asset that gives a strong foundation to your wealth over time. Asset number 5. Business ownership. When it comes to money, business is considered the most powerful asset. The reason is very clear. In a job, you earn money by giving your hard work and time. But in a business, your system and your team make money for you. Think about it. If you have a small shop or even start an online business, gradually it can become a source of continuous income for you. And the most special thing is that there is no limit to the growth of a business. The more hard work and smart smartness you put in, the bigger you can make it. For example, Amazon or Flipkart also started with a small idea, and today they are multi-crore companies. Now, it is not necessary that everyone's business becomes that big, but if your business is in the right direction, it is the best way to create wealth for you. So friends, business is not just a game for the rich. If you have skills, ideas, and a passion for hard work, then business ownership can prove to be the most powerful asset for you. Asset number 6, mutual funds. Often we think about where to put our money so that it keeps growing on its own without much effort. In such a case, mutual funds can be a best option for you. Let's understand mutual funds in simple words. When you buy shares of a company alone, the entire risk is yours. But in mutual funds, your money is distributed across many companies and sectors. This reduces the risk to a great extent. The best part is that mutual funds are managed by experts, meaning professional fund managers. These people work day and night on where to invest and when to exit. You just have to comfortably keep putting in a little bit of money every month through an SIP. The benefit of this is that you don't need to do the research yourself or keep an eye on the market. Just keep depositing a little money every month via SIP, and after years that same money will turn into a large amount. The best thing is that mutual funds also teach you discipline, meaning you have to save a little every month and put it in the right place. So friends, if you have less time and don't have much knowledge about investing, but you still want your money to grow with the help of a good professional investor, then mutual funds are the right asset for you. Asset number 7, bonds. Not every person wants to put money into risky assets like the stock market or business. There are many people who want their money to remain safe and also receive a fixed income every month or every year. So for such people, bonds are an excellent asset. Bonds mean that you lend your money to the government or a large company. In return, they promise to give you a fixed interest, and when the bond's validity ends, you get your full money back. The biggest advantage of bonds is that they are not volatile like stocks, meaning your money gets stability and security. This is the reason why wealthy people always include bonds in their portfolio to maintain balance. Yes, the returns are not as large as stocks, but they give you a reliable income by reducing risk. And if you want a peaceful sleep regarding your money, then bonds are the best asset for you. Asset number 8, digital assets. In today's world, there are many ways to earn money, and one of them is digital assets. These are assets that you create once, and they continue to generate income for you for years. Digital assets mean things that exist on the internet, but their value is like real-world money. This includes things like your own YouTube channel, social media pages, ebooks, and online courses. Suppose you wrote an ebook or created an online course. Now you only have to work hard once to create it, but whenever someone buys that ebook or course, you keep getting money every time. This is the real power of digital assets. It is one of the best ways to generate passive income. Similarly, a small mobile app or digital product can also generate income for years. And the best part is that you don't need a huge investment to create digital assets. You just need your creativity, knowledge, and a little consistency. Gradually, this can become such an asset for you that it takes you closer to financial growth. Today, many people are earning a full-time income just by creating digital assets. Therefore, if you are also active on the internet, try not to be just a consumer but a creator. Asset number 9. Venture capital. Friends, venture capital means supporting a new business or startup in its early stages. That is, when someone has a great idea but lacks funds, you help their startup move forward by investing money in it. It is exactly like helping a small plant grow into a big tree by giving it water and fertilizer. If that startup becomes successful, the value of the money you invested can increase many times over. A small investment can sometimes give such a large return that it can change your entire life. But yes, the truth is also that every startup is not successful. Many businesses shut down in the middle. Therefore, the risk in venture capital is a bit higher. This is why you should always take this step thoughtfully. The good thing is that nowadays, there are many platforms where common people can also take part in startups with small amounts. This means that this opportunity is no longer limited only to big businessmen. So friends, if you want to support a startup in its growth, then venture capital can prove to be an excellent asset in your portfolio. It will give you money and at the same time, the peace of mind that you helped make a new dream come true. Asset number 10, e-commerce stores. Friends, in today's digital era, the fastest growing asset is an e-commerce store. Previously, to start a business, you had to take a large shop and deal with many expenses. But now times have changed. You can create an online store and sell your products to the entire world without any major costs. Suppose you design clothes. Earlier, you were limited only to your city, but today through platforms like Amazon and Flipkart, you can reach thousands and millions of people with that product. The most special thing is that once the store is set up, your product can be sold at any time, meaning even when you are sleeping, your business is earning money for you. In the beginning, you certainly have to work hard to improve branding and customer service, but gradually this becomes an asset that generates passive income for you, and over time, your business becomes even stronger. So if you have a unique product and you want to sell it all over the world, then an e-commerce store can be a best option for you. If you have learned something from this video, then definitely like this video and subscribe to our channel, and also tell us in the comments which of these 10 assets you like the most.